Hello?
Hello?
Who's on the line?
Good afternoon.
You're welcome.
Please, I need your help. I mistakenly sent 20,000 to this account.
You mistakenly send money to my account? 20,000 naira. That's good. Oh.
Please, I will like if you can do me a favor to please send the money back to my account. It's 013-8164-293.
I should do what?
Please, send that money back to me.
Okay, I should resend the money back to you.
Please, I'm begging. It was a serious mistake on my part, please.
That one I have now. It's like you don't know me.
Please, don't do any
If you know me, you don't mistakenly send money to my own account.
Please, you two don't know any You don't know who you are talking to. Don't do any here.
Okay, forget it.
Please help me send the money. Send the money.
You don't know any
I know. I will show you.